working for you. This is Fox 2 News at 5.
March 23rd was by far the most impactful day of my professional career. Laid off over 130 families. I've never done that.
Jim Whitehead's story of despair in having to lay people off isn't unique. What he did next is. His Pontiac-based company, iMBranded, made designs and graphics for dealerships. When COVID struck, he had to lay them off. But then he had an idea. He calls it safely6feetapart.com, making acrylic partitions for offices once we all go back to work.
If you're sitting at a work surface and that work surface is less than 6 feet apart, you do need to collaborate and be close together. Well, how can you do that while still being safe and feeling comfortable? By introducing an acrylic shield that separates the two of you.
The shields are hot items, but that's not all they make. With all the Zooming from home, branding is important.
So great question. So the acrylic shields definitely have been a hot product for us. They were just introduced but a couple of days ago. But the acrylic shields, as well as the social distancing visual supports, i.e. signage for both the floor and the walls, has also been very popular.
Now, Jim, I know it's been a few days. What kind of interest are you seeing right now from across the country in these shields?
We service all of North America, and we're placing orders, coast to coast, quite frankly. And it's just starting to go. We've only had the team shield, our acrylic shields, online for the past 5 days, and we only launched the site 5 days prior to that. So the orders are picking up, and the interest has been brisk.
And the best news of all, people are coming back to work. The problem, the virus, serving up solutions.
74 of our 130 are back to work. We're bringing more on every single day. That is the reason why this was created, and that is going to be the reason why we're bringing all these people back until our stay is lifted. So hopefully we'll be at 100% capacity here in the near term.
And if you're interested in this product, the website to go to is safely6feet.com. It's 6ft.com, safely6feet.com. Rupraj, Fox 2 News.